All right, so I got this piece at a thrift store for 40 bucks. All I've done so far is kind of wipe it down a little bit, and I removed the legs. One of the legs was kind of wonky, and since I need to repair the bottom, I went ahead and took the feet off so I could sit it up and have it be sturdy while I'm working on it. Oh, y'all. I'm obsessed with this wallpaper. Obsessed. I would like to fix some of these bubbles behind it, but I'm afraid if I remove it, then it's just gonna tear. There is a little tear up here, but I can repair that. I don't know. This is where I started to try to peel it, and it's not peeling very well. So I'm gonna have to decide if I'm removing the wallpaper or if I'm gonna try to salvage it. I may try to see if I can't find something similar online, but that back is just gorgeous. I don't quite know what color I'm gonna go with yet. I think I'm gonna get it all prepped and then make a decision. Honestly, in a perfect world, if I could remove this painting without messing up the wood, I would love to keep this stain. Honestly think it would be too much work on this piece to try to strip it down to stain it again, but I don't know. I don't know if we're thinking black. I do a lot of black though. We'll see. Stay tuned. Do you have any opinions on what I should do with this one? I would love to know. These are the legs. As for this piece, we ran into a little bit of problems, but they were fixed, and overall, I am so happy with how this one's turning out. And I will definitely post a full tutorial on how I accomplished this look.